Amazing Kittens, it's me, and today we're going to be exploring my mini fridge. So, big announcement, not really big announcement, but I got a mini fridge for skincare. So, it's very cold in here, so I'm just open it up. So, maybe there's a little tour in the front. We have Hello Kitty and friends. We have some Hello Kitty stickers here, here, and here, and then all the other stickers also here. And then all the other stickers except for this and all those that I just showed they came with the fridge. So they came with a cute little pack of stickers. So let's open. So this is a candle. You don't have to pull, you just unlock. Whatever you want to do. So right here, you have a little side pocket thing. I usually put this in here. Okay. It's kind of hard to see in here. Next up, we have lip balm, Clean It Zero lip balm. Then we have body oil, a crystal roller. I can't remember the name, but if you guys know what these are, comment down below. 24 karat gold serum, not syrup, serum. Oh god. Okay. So now we have Face Bio Oil Skincare Oil. Nitrogen Hydro Boost, whatever you want to call it. Acne Remover Face Wash. St. Ivy's Cream. Water, like spray water. And then a super cute face mask. I like to keep it nice and cold. It's little Karopi doing his skincare routine. So that's what I have in here. So this is usually how I get up now. I put this in the back, so I just put it in there. Then I put in the St. Ivy's cream, the nitrogen cream right on top, the spray bottle water. It's very cool. Back tucked in, acne remover right there, skincare oil right here, body oil right there, 24 karat gold lime oil or serum, whatever you want to call it, crystal roller. It's hard to get the crystal roller to stay because it doesn't fit exactly perfectly. Okay, I got it in. And then Clean It Zero lip balm. And I usually have a face wash thing, but it's not in here. I need to get it back in there, but it's usually just a easy face wash. So that's what I have in here. And don't forget, I'm going to also be posting a video Saturday. That's why this video isn't going to be as long as I usually make them. It's because Saturday is someone's very special day, and I'm going to be posting a video about it. So make sure to look at Saturday, probably around 5 o'clock. And I'll have maybe some special people in there. Bye!